Hi, I'm Vaibhav. So basically, I'm an entrepreneur and I do pay some people for my marketing of my business. So I always had no clue basically where my money is going on. So there are freelancers who are working for me, and then digital marketing being the most important thing these days to promote your business. So with no clue of where I'm putting my money into a thought that I want to do something in digital marketing wherein at least I should be aware of what exactly is happening and where we can in a best possible way, we can get the best ROI from whatever money that I'm putting in. So I got to know about this ClickSpot, and then Saf, I had a word with him, and the first impression was very good, and I knew like if I'll join this course, it would be something very precise, something very crisp, just 4 days workshop, which is like easily manageable for working people or for the students, because there are courses which is like 2 to 3 months program, which something is very difficult for me, like people like me who are into their jobs or businesses. So after these 4 days, the first agenda that I had in mind was basically to make sure that my money is going in a right direction. Like I'm not spending on unnecessary things. But then after doing this workshop of 4 days, now I think I'm in a better situation wherein I can handle my complete marketing. I would say digital marketing of my company on my own, because the best thing about this workshop is whatever unnecessary things that big courses they take money for, or the whatever time we spend on those workshop, is everything is removed from this workshop, and only the main practical aspects, on not going too much into theory, rather more practical. Like we have designed our websites, we have done the SEO on page, off page, and whatever technical terms which I had never thought of, that I would be in a better position to do it on my own now. And Saf and the complete team, they are like very supportive. Like whatever doubts you have, they are always pro for it. And in fact, there are a lot of post workshop support also. So it's not just the commercial team which is here to make money. They are here to help you in every possible aspect they can. So yeah, it's a great workshop. You should always, I would recommend a big time. Go for it.